Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class 9, hope you are keeping safe yourself sitting at home in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. I am Muhammad Qudus Alimullah, Assistant Headmaster, Dhaka Sikha Board Laboratory School and College. In last week, I conducted 2 classes on English second paper, and I discussed on cloze test with clue and without clue. First, I talked about how to fill the gaps and what are the words we need to use for filling the gaps. According to the NCTB instructions, we have to fill the gaps using parts of speech, preposition and articles. I also discussed in details about all these items, and in my last class on Google or Google Meet, I showed you a passage with clues, and I showed you how to fill the gaps or how to choose the words from the box. Now, today I am going to introduce you a passage without clue, that is, there is no information or words supplied. We have to fill the gaps using suitable word from ourselves. Now, look at the board and you can see that there is a passage. First, I would like to read out the passage for your information, and then I shall discuss in details how to fill the gaps. Look at the board. The passage is, trees are dash to man in many ways. They provide us dash oxygen, without which we can't live. They supply dash with vitamin, food and shelter, and help to dash drought and flood. Unfortunately, we can't realize dash importance of trees. We cut them dash in large number. Dash is a suicidal attempt. Dash we don't stop dash acts. Our country will turn dash a desert. So this is a passage, and in this passage there are 10 gaps from A to G. Now, we have to fill up the gaps using suitable word from our memory or ourselves. Before filling the gaps, we have to remind some informations. First one, by reading the passage, you have to first select or you have to guess in which tense does this passage belong to. Then you have to try to guess the meaning of the passage. Then you have to select the words one by one. It is not obvious or obligatory that first you have to fill up the gaps A, then B, then C. It is not important. It is important that you can use the words from anywhere, either Z or D or I or B. It is not important. When you will complete the passage, if the passage gives the clear meaning then you are sure that you have completely complete the passage using suitable words. Now, step by step, I read out the passage and then I shall show you how to fill the gaps. The first sentence is, trees are dashed to man in many ways. গাছ আমাদেরকে বিভিন্নভাবে উপকার করে, অথবা গাছ আমাদের জন্য খুবই উপকারী, প্রয়োজনীয়, দরকারি, এরকম মিনিং আসছে। সো we can say that trees are useful, beneficial, to man in many ways. You can use other words synonymous or similar meaning with these words. So here you are not obliged to use only useful or beneficial. If you think that there are some other words which have similar meaning to these words, you can also use them. So trees are useful or beneficial to man in many ways. But as in the exam, we have to use only one word, so we can omit one word. So we can say that trees are useful to man in many ways. Then they provide us dash oxygen without which we can't live. They provide, তারা সরবরাহ করে us আমাদেরকে অক্সিজেন, dash oxygen, নিঃশ্বাস গ্রহণ করে অক্সিজেন, উইদাউট হুইচ উই কান্ট লিভ, তাছাড়া আমরা আসতে পারি না। এইখানে একটি বিষয় হলো, one very important thing, they provide us dash. Preposition is needed because if we want to connect provide, if we connect us with oxygen, you know that it is the duty of a preposition to connect one noun with another noun. So oxygen and us, in the beginning we can use with, and this is appropriate. So they provide us with oxygen without which we can live. Then they supply dash with vitamin, food and shelter. আমরা এই পর্যন্ত আসি আপাতত। They supply dash with vitamin, food and shelter. Supply and provide, similar meaning. So as here is with, us is supplied, not with, but here with supplied, so we can use easily understand us is needed. That they supply us with vitamin, food and shelter. So these are the alternative. Here us is supplied, we have to use with. Here with is supplied, we have to supply us. Then and help to dash drought and flood. গাছপালা আমাদেরকে অনাবৃষ্টি, খরা এবং বন্যা, বিপদ, বৃষ্টি না হলে খরা, বৃষ্টি প্রচুর হলে বন্যা। And help to drought and flood. Help to drought and flood. বন্যা বা খরা থেকে আমাদেরকে কি করে? রক্ষা করে। So and help to protect drought and flood. Then unfortunately, দুর্ভাগ্যক্রমে we can't realize there's importance of trees. Article is needed. Unfortunately, we can't realize there's importance, not A, not N, but D. So the importance, because there is another explanation. Importance is an abstract noun. Before abstract noun, article D is used. So unfortunately, we can't realize the importance of trees. Then we cut them. Them means trees. We cut them just in large number. ব্যাপক আকারে, বৃহৎ আকারে অসংখ্য গাছ আমরা আমাদের স্বাধীন ইচ্ছা মতো কেটে ফেলি। তার মানে we cut them recklessly, it's an adverb, partial speech. We cut them recklessly in large number. Dash is a suicidal attempt. Relative pronoun is essential here. I repeat, we cut them recklessly in large number. Dash is a suicidal attempt. As trees are not human beings, so this is appropriate for trees. For animal, this is essential. We cut them recklessly in large number, which is a suicidal attempt. এটা হচ্ছে আত্মহত্যার স্বামী। এভাবে গাছপালাকে ধ্বংস করা, নিধন করা আত্মহত্যার স্বামী। Then, dash we don't stop dash X. Dash we don't stop dash X. Our country will turn dash our desert. Meaning এরকম, যদি আমরা গাছপালা কাটা বন্ধ না করি, এই কাজ, এই সুইসাইডাল কাজ বন্ধ না করি, তাহলে অচিরেই আমাদের দেশটা মরুভূমিতে পরিণত হবে। So dash we, if we, it's a conditional sentence. If we don't stop X, dash X, X is plural. So this is these X. এখানে S না থাকলে is IS দিতাম। This is also grammatical item, grammatical term. When you fill the gaps, you have to follow a lot of things. Say you know a lot, you have filled all the gaps, you are satisfied, but unintentionally you have missed something which will reduce your getting marks. So if we don't stop these acts, our country will turn dash a desert. Our country will turn a desert. We have to connect a desert with our country. So turn into means to change in another form. Now our country is very greenery. Our country is green. There is everywhere green trees. But if there is no trees, our country will turn into desert like in the Middle East countries. So finally, now we can give a summary. Then trees are useful to man in many ways. They provide us with oxygen, without which we can't live. They supply us with vitamin, food and shelter, and help to protect drought and flood. Unfortunately, we can't realize the importance of trees. We cut them recklessly in large number, which is a suicidal attempt. If we don't stop these acts, our country will turn into a desert. In this way, in your English grammar book, there are so many passages you will practice sitting at home, and after practicing 10 or 20 passages, if you think that you are feeling some difficulty in your feeling gaps, you can talk to me through mobile. I am always ready to be by your side. And from now, I wouldn't like to talk to you with closer with Kulu or without Kulu, either Google Meet or YouTube class. From tomorrow, I will talk to you with how to change sentences from simple to complex to compound, because this is also a very important and difficult item in your English grammar, and it needs some more classes, and after finishing my classes, he probably within a short time he have to face another online evaluation test. So hope you are well and you have already enjoyed my class. In the next time I will take some other YouTube classes in a chronological way, so that whatever I will talk to you in the Zoom class, similarly in the same topic I will talk in YouTube, so that you can get much more benefit. No more today. Thank you very much.